In 1994, in March, I was kind of on a learning venture with God about thoughts, and how thoughts can be good things in your life, and how thoughts can bring bad things to your life. And these are some words that He gave to me relating to my thoughts. God said, a sentry or guard is placed outside the door of a vault which contains valuables. And He said, you must be the sentry or the guard of your own mind so that you can protect it from negative invaders. He said there are invaders who wish to take truth from your mind and place error there. He said there are invaders who wish to take your faith and replace it with fear. He said there are invaders who wish to take your peace away from you and replace it with turmoil, strife, and anger. God said there are invaders who wish to take your prosperity away and replace it with poverty or lack. There are invaders who want to take your health away and replace it with illness and infirmity. There are invaders who want to take your power away and replace it with weakness. God said you must keep constant vigil to protect your health, your peace, your prosperity, your truth, and your power from your spiritual enemies by protecting your mind from negative thoughts. Because negative thoughts are sent to you by your spiritual enemies to rob you of everything that God has promised you in your life. So I hope you will be a sentry or a guard at the door of your mind and only accept good, encouraging thoughts.